We are at the Luxor, and there is a separate lobby for the premium section. Not exactly sure what it takes to get here. There is a VIP lounge as well as a business center. Once you get to the tower, the elevator area is a little bit different than the pyramid. The floors are different. The elevators have this gold trim to it. Just a little bit nicer overall. Also, the hallway's a little bit more elegant, quote unquote elegant. Once we get to the room, let's do a tour. The upgraded room in the West Tower bathroom, much nicer. And you have a tub and a shower. Very nice, very nice. And then the room is a room. I guess for Vegas, or just in general, this is like maybe a basic room, but nicer than the other one, I'd potentially say. Desk, 2 chairs, closet. Yeah. My nighttime view, Mandalay Bay, Allegiant Stadium, and the closed pool, unfortunately, is out there. They have these little dots on there, so you probably can't see too much, but this is it.